Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Rocket League. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, you will see here settings, modify your settings, click on it, move here to video, in first section resolution, choose resolution from your monitor like me. In display mode, choose full screen. The scene, turn this off. Move here down. On anti-aliasing from high, switch this off. Rendering quality, click this and choose performance. Render detail, click this and choose performance. Frame rate, FPS, click on it and choose like me 120. Move here right, advanced system settings. On texture quality and details, leave this high. World detail, click this and set on performance. And particle details set on performance. Effect intensity, click on it, go low intensity. High quality shader, switch this off. Ambient, switch this off. Deep of field, switch this off. Leave blue. Light shaft, switch this off. Lens, switch this off. Dynamic shadow, switch this off. Leave motion blur. And weather effects. When you do this all like me, move here and click apply. And enjoy playing Rocket League with best FPS settings without lag or problems. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS settings in Rocket League with these extremely settings. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.